Hey guys, Natasha Denona here. Today in this video, I really want to deep dive into knowledge of cheek color, how to wear it, which one to choose, which lipstick to wear with which cheek color, and also eye makeup, the balance of the three elements. I will also give you a couple of tips of do's and don'ts. And so let's just start watching. First of all, we have to categorize the different color families of the cheek colors. There are the pinks, the peaches, and then the neutrals, which are the browns and the corals. And the coral shade is a neutral, in my opinion, because it is a mixture of pink and orange. Now, how do you choose the perfect cheek color for yourself? So I always separate it into if you want to add some color to your face or if you want to stay neutral. So if you want to stay neutral, you can pick a coral shade, because corals, they always give a little bit of hint of color, but they also stay pretty calm and they match everyone. And the browns are really muted and monochromatic. So this is for like a more muted and neutral look. But if you want to add some pop of color to your face, you have to know if your skin tone has a yellow undertone or a more red neutral undertone. So if you have a yellow undertone, then I would recommend picking a pink cheek color. This will just pop your face, it will give you light to your face. And if your skin tone is tending towards red and neutral, then I would recommend a peach cheek color, because the yellowishness in the peach color will neutralize the redness of your skin and will make your face also look alive. Reds, deep cherries, and deep plums wear so beautifully on dark and deep skins. And if your undertone of your skin is warm toned, this means that your skin tone is like in the middle, because warm means orange, means pink and yellow together. This allows you to wear actually any cheek color you prefer. Now I want to talk about how to match your lipstick to your cheek color. This is super important in my opinion. I sometimes see people wearing an orange toned cheek color and then like a pinkish lip. It doesn't go well together. I mean, there are do's and don'ts. We're gonna talk about them right now. I always recommend, or I choose as a makeup artist for my clients, if I choose a pink cheek color, then the lipstick also to be pink undertoned. It can be a nude, it can be a bold lipstick, but it has to have this pink undertone, so it will match beautifully the cheek color. The same goes for a peach cheek color with a peach lipstick, coral blush with a coral lip, and brown neutral blushes. They can be worn with any color because they are monotoned with the skin color. So you can wear it with a pink, with a peach, a coral, reds, bordeaux, anything. Now I want to talk about the eye makeup color, how to match those to the cheek and lip colors. So cheek and lip will go together, right? Now, eye colors, if, for example, I'm wearing a pink cheek with a pink lip and I want to wear also pink eyeshadow, this will work because it's a monochromatic look. It's really nice. Same with peach and brown and etc. Neutral eyeshadows like grays and browns will also pretty work well with colorful cheek and lips. But if the brown eyeshadows are tending towards more a yellowish side, then I would choose a peach lip and cheek color. But if we're wearing a colorful eye makeup look, for example, purple, this is really bold. Logically, it sounds like, okay, so purple goes with pink and pink, right? You can do that, but I think it might look a little bit tacky, or it feels like more 80s and fashion makeup. For, you know, like the everyday or this modern look, I think we should break this a little bit, like complement it with the other shades. For example, purple eyeshadows for me go beautifully with beige, tan, or even slightly peachy cheek color, and with a brown lipstick that is more towards the beige, like a nude brown, amazing. Or a blue eye makeup look would go beautifully with peach cheeks and lips. And a green eye makeup look will go so well and beautifully with a cherry reddish cheek color and with reddish tinted lips, or with pink and pink, because pink is also based on red. Now the last topic I want to talk about is so interesting. So many people want to know the answer, which is if we are wearing a dramatic eye makeup look, if we can wear a bold lip. Or do we always have to wear a nude lip with a smoky eye? A dramatic eye makeup look always goes well with a nude lip. I mean, this is mistake proof. But sometimes we see looks with a strong eye makeup with strong lips or a colorful, bold lipstick. And this also sometimes works, and sometimes it doesn't. So what's the secret? Let's talk about that. We have to understand that we have three main elements in our total look: the eyes, the cheek color, and the lips. What I recommend you is to choose only two elements to be colorful or bold. Either the eyes with a colorful cheek and a nude or brown lipstick, or a natural eye makeup with a colorful cheek and lip color, or a dramatic eye with a bold lipstick, but then the cheek color to keep neutral. So guys, this is it. If you will have maybe more questions about this topic, let me know. I will try to answer all of your questions, and I hope you found this video very helpful. I love shooting them, so you don't have to convince me. See you in my next education video. Bye.